Yes, now our next topic is what? PN junction diode. First of all, what is a P and N? Those are two of our semiconductors. One is P-type semiconductor and the other one is N-type semiconductors. When you are taking the two semiconductors, one is P-type and other is N-type. So these two semiconductors are separated by a barrier. Okay? Yes or no? You can see a line between the P-type and N-type, which is separating the P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor. So this barrier or the junction, you will be calling it as a PN junction. What? PN junction. The barrier or the separator which is separates or which is in between the P-type and N-type, you will be simply calling it as a PN junction. Okay. Now, the P-type will be connected. Now, these two semiconductors are connected to the two terminals. Two terminals are means what? One is positive and the other one is negative. So what are the two terminals you are having? You will be calling it as a diode. What? Diode. Okay. Now, if you see the first case, and like I am going to connect the P-type semiconductor to the positive terminal and N-type semiconductor to the negative terminal. If suppose our connection is like this, okay, if suppose our connection is like this, that means P is connected to the positive and N is connected to the negative. Then, who are the charge carriers in the N-type semiconductor now? Electrons, right? Now the charge carriers, electrons will move towards the junction. Okay? What is this one? PN junction, right? Yes or no? So what are the charge carriers present in N-type? Those are electrons will move towards the junction. Now, who are the charge carriers in P-type? Holes, right? Now these holes will move towards the junction. Like this, the charge carriers will move across the PN junction and it will produce the electricity or it will conduct the electricity. Understood? Yes? If our connection is like this, that means P-type is connected to positive and N-type is connected to negative. Okay, then it conducts the electricity. Okay, now in second case, I am connecting P-type semiconductor to the negative terminal and N-type semiconductor to the positive terminal. Reverse. Okay, reversely I am going to connect. P is connected to positive, N is connected to the negative. Now who are the charge carriers in the N-type? Electrons, right? It will move away from the junction. It will move away from the junction. And who are the charge carriers in P-type? Holes, right? It also move away from the junction. So you cannot see any flow of electrons in this type or in this case. So here it does not conduct electricity. Understood now? Now, what is the word of rectifier? Meaning of rectifier? It will convert AC current to the DC current. It will convert AC current to the DC current. So the rectifiers we have two types. One is half wave rectifier,
full wave,
half wave rectifier, and the other one is full wave rectifier. In half wave rectifier, we have an output like this. Okay, positive, negative, positive. Now, the upside, wherever the positive we are seeing, we will be calling as a positive cycle. Okay, and the down one we will be calling as a negative cycle. So, in half wave rectifier, only the one cycle is recorded. Only one cycle is recorded. And you will be getting it an output like 6. Positive and positive, that's it. The negative is blocked. It will be null. So plain you will be getting. It will be not showing anything. Okay. So in half wave rectifier, only the one cycle, only the positive cycle is recorded and the other cycle is blocked or it is plain. Okay. This is half wave rectifier. In the full wave rectifier, you will be having an output like this. Plus minus plus. So coming to the full wave rectifier, and this is AC current and this is DC current. That is why you will be having only in one direction. DC means what? Direct current, only in one direction. Okay. Now in full wave rectifier, my AC current it will be like same. But in full wave rectifier, both the positive cycle and negative cycle will be recorded. Okay. Both the positive cycle and negative cycle will be recorded. So how will be getting your output there? Positive, negative, positive. And this is my DC. Understood? Yes? So rectifier is nothing but you are going to convert the AC current into DC current. We have two rectifiers. One is half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. So to convert the AC to DC, here we are going to use the PN junction. Okay. By using of PN junction, we are going to convert my AC current to the DC current. Understood? Yes.